Today's lesson is on co-interior angles. These angles are angles that lie between two parallel lines. So if I'm looking, right, there are two parallel lines, the angles that lie between there. Two parallel lines, the angles that lie. Two parallel lines, the angles that lie. These angles are known as co-interior angles. They are not equal angles. But these angles add up to 180 degrees. They are known as supplementary angles. Okay? If lines are parallel, only if the lines are parallel, okay, the co-interior angles are supplementary, meaning that they add up to 180 degrees. Examples of this, if you look here, right, we have two parallel lines, and we notice that if we look at these two are parallel, that means that angle x3 plus y2 would equal to 180 degrees. Our reason, co-interior angles. AB is parallel to CD. Another example is two parallel lines. Look at that angle, x4 and y1. They lie between the parallel lines. They form that U shape. Therefore, angle x4 plus y1 is equal to 180 degrees. They are known as co-interior angles, and AB is parallel to CD. The last type is example. If you look here, I tried to just show you in the diagram that these two lines are parallel. That means that angle, okay, x2 and y4, they add up to 180 degrees, and x3 and y1, they lie between, they form that U shape there. That means that they are also supplementary, they add up to 180 degrees. x2 plus y4 is 180 degrees. PQ is parallel to RS. We can also see from the diagram that Q3, well, not Q3, but X3 is equal to Y1, angle Y1. They are co-interior angles. I'll show you a few examples. Let's look at our first example. We need to calculate X. And if you look at AB is parallel to CD, there we have the two angles inside the interior, right? Inside of the two parallel lines. That means that X plus 105 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Co-interior angles, AB is parallel to CD. Remember that co-interior angles add up to 180 degrees. Therefore, we're going to transpose the 105 degrees, and it becomes, in the next step, minus 105 degrees. 180 minus 105 degrees gives me 75 degrees. So the angle in this place, X, is 75 degrees. Let's go on. This one looks a little complicated, but it's really not. Bear with me. All right, so we can work out any of these. We're going to work out these two. If you notice that line is parallel to that line, so those two lie between those AB and CD. So B plus the 68 degrees equals to 180 degrees. My reason, co-interior angles. Don't forget to tell us which angles are parallel. In this case, AB is parallel to CD. Then to find B, I have to say 180 minus 68 degrees. Therefore, B is equal to 112 degrees. So this angle here is 112 degrees. Girls and boys, how can I find A now? Look here. I have PQ parallel to RS. There is another U shape here. Okay? And so this angle, B, plus angle A will equal to 180 degrees. Right? My reason, co-interior angles, PQ is parallel to RS. Lastly, 180 minus, remember that B was 112 degrees. So that's where we got the 112 from. 180 minus 112 degrees. Therefore, A is equals to 68 degrees. And that's how you find co-interior angles.